Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a skincare routine video, and I know you guys have been asking for this video for forever. So today we are going to do this skincare routine and night care routine, all of that good stuff. And so yeah, just keep on watching if you want to see how I cleanse my face every day or every other day. No, every day. But yeah, just keep on watching, okay? So the first thing I do when I get home, if I have like makeup on, I'm going to wipe off my face with the makeup wipe. And these are the Hydrating Love and Beauty by Forever 21. So yeah, these were like $2.90. I usually use the Neutrogena wipes, but I ran out of those. So, and these, oh, they actually smell so good. I like these because they smell good, and like it says, it's very hydrating if you have combination skin like I do. Like I'm not oily all the time, but I'm not super dry. So it's very refreshing. Oh yeah. Yes. I just like smelling it. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe off all that makeup. I'm probably gonna find some makeup from the day before, you know. Then I'm gonna get your whole face, under your neck, under your chin, on your neck. And then, I'm gonna use an exfoliating scrub. This is the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub, and it's oil free. So first what I do is to wet my face with water, and then I use the exfoliating scrub. Like that. And I like this one because it has the little tiny beads. I'm like running out. It has like little tiny beads in it, and that helps to get down into the pores. So yeah, as you can see, it only took like a little bit. Oh, let me take out my nose ring before I lose it. I do this after I use the makeup wipe, because the makeup wipe might not get all of the makeup off your face. And so this is gonna help break down the makeup and get deep into those pores, okay? So you're gonna do this for like 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, so refreshing to wash your face. Like, and then it gives off this cool feeling, like you know how icy hot feels? It's like the icy part of icy hot. It's very refreshing. So yeah, now I'm just gonna wipe this off. Okay, so we're done with that step. Now I'm just gonna use my Aveeno Positively Radiant Brightening Cleanser. And this, I love this because it makes my skin feel like silk. Like it's so silky. Oh my god. Like I did before, I'm just gonna wet my face. And then I'm gonna take like a pump. Oh my god, look at that. It feels so good going on. And this has definitely helped me with those dark circles under my eyes, because I have them bad. So yeah. I usually leave that on for like 2 or 3 minutes. So now now I'm going to use this Now I'm going to use this mask. It's L'Oreal's Pure Clay Mask, and I think it's the Detox and Purify kind. I don't know, they have different kinds, but this is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask, and I maybe use this once or twice a week, depending on how I feel, but it's better to use it like twice a week. You see what this looks like? I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. See, it's already drying a little bit. But yeah, you just want to put a thin coat, or else it'll take forever drying. So I'm just gonna leave that on, and then usually I'll like clean up or something, and then by the time I'm done, then it'll be time for it to wash off. So I'm gonna be back and show y'all what it looks like when it's dry, and then we'll wash it off. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is basically what it I can barely open my mouth, I'm sorry. This is what it looks like when it's dry. It feels very tight, and I can't move my face. But yeah, I'm just gonna wipe this off in the sink with some hot, warm water. That's gonna help it come off a lot more easier. And basically you're gonna have to scrub this off because it's very thick. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so finally we're at the final step, and that is the moisturizer. And I'm going to use some Dermalactive Replenishing Body Butter. I don't even know if it's supposed to go on the face, but I've been using it and it works pretty good. Usually I would use the Nivea Soft cream in the white jar, and not the blue one, not the regular Nivea, but the soft one in the white jar. But I ran out of that. I know I run out of a lot of stuff. Y'all are like, she ran out of everything she actually used. But I'm the type of person that when I run out of something and I have a alternative, then I just keep using the alternative until I run out, and then I go buy what I usually use because I'm cheap like that. Yeah, that's all for my skincare routine. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys use these products and if they work for you, how they work for me. Everybody has different skin types, so it's probably not gonna work the same for everyone. But if you try these products, then let me know. I would love to hear your feedback, and just remember, when you wear a lot of makeup every day, make sure to use makeup wipe removers. Those will be your best friends, okay? Like, you do not want to clog your pores up. That is the worst thing you want to do, especially with makeup. Just make sure you clean your face every day if you wear tons of makeup like I do. So yeah, just do those steps. I don't do those steps every single day. I don't do all of those steps every day. I will maybe do use the face wash every day, the clean and clear every day. Then I use the moisturizer every day, but the mask and the Aveeno, the mask and the brightening cleanser, I use those twice a week. So say I do the face wash and the Aveeno one day, and then I do the face wash and the clay mask one day. So you can do it like that, but you don't have to do all of those every single day. So yeah, that's the end of my skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So thank you, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.